typical Mango Street shoot is very DIY.
An idea sparked in the morning.
A last-minute model call.
An outfit quickly pulled.
Our attention is split between directing, styling, shooting photos, and filming behind the scenes.
We usually have about 30 minutes to get the shots and footage before the sun sets.
This time was different, though.
For starters, the shoot took place in Utah.
And we had a team.
A hairstylist,
a makeup artist,
2 local models,
2 assistants,
and 2 pals to shoot this behind-the-scenes footage you're watching right now.
The catch? We only had 24 hours to fly out and get it done.
So 6 of us flew out from LA. We rented a cargo van and extra gear, met up with the models and fed the team, and then drove an hour and 40 minutes west to the Bonneville Salt Flats.
We were a lovely combination. To a safe I thought no one could break. I realized I was wrong.
You guys are a cloud, basically.
You didn't feel a thing. What a tool you've become, used for demolition. What a wreck you've made me. You live
Right now,
without
we're going to cover
me.
their faces and maybe catch some of the reflection of the sky.
Waiting on a moment. Is this the hallmark of our love? Empty and alone. I can't get to you. I can't break down your bolted doors. When I shut my eyes, I can see you staring back at me, just like you did when we first met. So I'm doing whatever it takes to keep my eyes open, which only reminds me everything I want to see has disappeared.
Basically, the model will be in the foreground, and in the background, we're hoping that that big piece of fabric will be just like suspended in the air, because we're going to Photoshop the people who are waving it out. We love motion in our shot.
And a craving in your heart. I can't get to you. I can't kick down your bolted doors.
Maybe can you bend your knee?
Last shot of the day, we're taking the drone up.
Wait a second. How tight would that be as a shot?
We kept waiting for something to go wrong, but as far as we know, nothing ever went sideways.
I guess that's what you get when you fully plan out a shoot and have a grade A team to help you pull it off.
Are we just smiling? I think we're just smiling. Yeah, I don't know what to do in a video. Want to give a speech?
It's a real YouTuber standoff here.
This way.